How to get TotalAV coupon code. For this, go ahead and open a web browser that you prefer. In the search bar, you have to go ahead and search for TotalAV promo code. So go ahead and do that. Here you'll find all kind of website dealing with promo codes. You can select any. Just scroll down and tap on Visit TotalAV and redeem the promo code. You'll be redirected to its website. So TotalAV is a comprehensive antivirus software designed to protect your device from any malware, viruses, and online threats. It offers features like real-time protection, system optimization, and secure browsing to ensure your digital security and privacy. Now to redeem this promo code, tap on Get Protected Now. Then you have to scroll down and log in to your TotalAV account to buy the package of TotalAV. To redeem the promo code, all you have to do is add a payment method. Now while you are checking out after your purchase, at the bottom you should find the option of have a promo code or a coupon. You just have to tap on it. Now you should have the coupon pasted already. If it's empty, simply paste the code that you just copied. Now once you check out from there, your coupon will be redeemed and you will receive some of the discount with it. So go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.